Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe blog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Blackforest Cheesecake. I made this for my oldest 13 years old, my oldest 13th birthday, champagne birthday. So check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! First, let's prepare the crust. So this is 15 cookies. You can use 1 sleeve to 2 sleeves of cookies. No need to remove the cream part. If you're using 6-inch of pan, line your pan with parchment paper. If you use 6-inch, just use 1 sleeve is enough, but I'm using 7-inch, so I'm gonna use at least 1.5 to 2 sleeves of Oreo cookies. We're just gonna mix this into fine crumbs. You can use food processor or rolling pin or even meat tenderizer. It's up to you, whatever you have. We're gonna dump this crust onto our prepared pan. Again, if it's 6-inch, you can use 1 sleeve. If it's 7-inch like mine, you can use 1 to 2 sleeves, but I'm gonna use 1.5 to 2 sleeves. Now that the crust is ready, we're gonna melt half stick of butter. This is unsalted, just in microwave for 30 seconds interval. So this is 1 minute in total. Again, 30-second intervals. Now we're gonna mix the melted butter with our cookie crumbs. And then we're gonna press the wet crumbs firmly, nicely as our bottom crust. And then we're gonna put this to side. So just press it firmly, tightly, nicely to be the cheesecake crust. The crust, the bottom crust of this Blackforest cheesecake. Vergeet erde. Now the crust is done, set to side. We're gonna mix our cream cheese batter. This is 2 blocks of cream cheese, 500 grams of cream cheese. And with half cup of sugar and half teaspoon of vanilla essence, we're just gonna cream it until creamy. Once creamy, crack 2 eggs, and then we're gonna mix it again, but this time until just combine, so you don't want it to overtly combine. So now we're gonna scoop about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of the batter, and then we're gonna put it onto our cheesecake crust and spread it nicely using spatula, or you can even just tilt it your pan. So you want to cover the whole crust. Now top it with some cherry pie filling. As generous as you like so. So I'm using 540 milliliter of cherry pie filling, and we love Western Family brand. It's just so yummy. Now we're gonna top the cherry pie filling with the rest of the batter. Now we're gonna bake it until center is somewhat set but still jiggly, about 40 minutes on preheated 325 Fahrenheit. Once cooked, take out cheesecake from the oven and let it cool to room temperature completely before chilling it overnight in the fridge. This is 1/2 cup of chocolate chip, semisweet, semi-sweet. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of hot boiling water. Mix it until melted. Less or more water if needed is up to you. Let's say you want more liquidy or more thicker. Thicker is up to you. But thinner would be nice to spoon it or spread it on the cake like so. Now we're just gonna put it on top of our chilled cheesecake and spread it nicely. You can tilt your pan or you can use spatula, but I'm using just spoon. As the chocolate will harden, we're gonna pull the parchment paper away from the cheesecake before serving. Oh, would you look at that? Nice oozing cherry